Hello everyone, my name is Shankar. I'm a computer science student. Today I will explain about a PHP. Basically, PHP is a hypertext preprocessor. It is a server side language. I mean, a scripting language. Basically, PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. It is widely used open source scripting language. These scripts are executed on the server side. Okay, it is a open source, that's why it will freely download. And okay, then what is a PHP file? PHP file is contain text, HTML, JavaScript code, and PHP code. PHP code are executed on the server side, and the result is returned to browser and plain HTML. PHP files are default files extension of .php. Okay, uh, then what can PHP do? When we are creating files in HTML, it will generally in the client side, right? So PHP will give that scripting in a server side. Okay, PHP can generate dynamic page content. PHP can create, open, read, write, and close files on the server. PHP can collect from data. PHP can send and receive cookies. Okay, and PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. Basically, we added our database, right, by using SQL or a MongoDB. When we are adding to that particular page, PHP will can add, delete, modify our database. Okay, then PHP can encrypted data. Encrypted means it will more protected, and it has more security, right? Okay, then PHP runs on different platforms like operating systems, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, right? It will compatible almost all servers using used today, like Apache, IIS. Okay, PHP has supported for wide range of databases. PHP is it's free, as we said, it's a open source. Okay, then it is easy to learn. When we familiar with HTML, CSS, then we can easily learn this PHP very easily. Okay, then we need to set up on our PC. So I already created a video about that particular XAMPP will be execute our PHP files in a local system, I mean in a server side. Okay, then basic PHP syntax will be like this. Uh, uh, by using that particular tag in HTML, tag symbol greater than, less than, right? Here also that particular less than, question mark PHP, and then question mark that particular symbol. Okay, then it will extension of PHP. So this particular it will added to that particular PHP file in HTML also, in between the body tag. Basically PHP used in between the body tag, is it is a, I mean, internal of HTML. If we need to create that outside, I mean external files also created. Okay, then a PHP variable. PHP variable can have short names like, basically we know the variables, I mean it will store some data, right? Suppose we need to give a particular 10 for the particular number A, particular number. Suppose student 1 will secure the marks as 100, right? Suppose student 1 equal to 100, right? So that particular value 100 is assigned to that particular variable, student 1. So I think you understand. Okay, creating and declaring variables, basically here variables will be created by using dollar symbol first, right? Okay, text here hello world. Okay, then after that we created here variable is x and txt. Okay, then loosely typed language. PHP is a loosely typed language. Loosely typed means it automatically converts variable to the correct data type depending on the value. A strongly typed programming language, we will have to declare the type name of that particular variable before use it, like int, para, I mean int, float, double, like we will use that in strongly typed programming language like Java. Okay, but we don't need to give that particular int that in PHP. Okay, then variable scopes are local, global, static parameters. Okay, basic I will explain each of that. Scope means a variable declare within the PHP function. It means it will give that within the particular I mean here local scope, and here will be the global scope. Okay, then global scope will be variable that defined outside of any function have the global scope. Access the global scope within a function global key. Okay, then this is the example for that global scope. Here two variables are created in a global scope. Okay, then static scope. When function is completed, all of its variable are normally deleted. Whenever something we want local variable not declared, to do this use the static keyword when we first declare on the variable. Okay, static will be created within the function, right? Okay, so parameter scope means a parameter is a local variable whose value is passed to that function by calling code. Okay, then echo is basically used to printing the statement. Okay, when we are using that echo, this string was made with multiple parameters, it will show that particular as a print statement. Okay, then create an array in PHP. Basically array will be created using the array tag. These are three types: indexed array, associative array, and multi-dimensional array. Then we will use I mean we will explain by using that particular examples. Okay, indexed array, there are two ways to create indexed array. Indexed array can be assigned automatically indexed, right? There here will be creating array by using, or index array assigned manually, right? Give 0 1 2. Okay, uh, associative array basically array that can named keywords assigned to them. I mean, instead of that particular numbering, here we will give that particular names for that array elements. Okay, associative array like that. Okay, multi-dimensional array basically used that array as the different data types. Okay. Okay, for each loop works only on arrays. It is used to loops through key value pair in for each. Okay, for every loop iteration, the value of current array elements is assigned to the value. Okay, then this is the example. Okay, and PHP functions. PHP user defined functions, basically created functions using function syntax, right? Okay, here function name, and then give arguments, and the code will be executed what we want. Okay, then get versus post. uh, Get versus post, basically these are used, I will explain here. Get variable is used to collect variable from the method get. Okay, basically get will be give that particular method variable to everyone. It will be displayed in the browser address bar. Okay, then uh, like this. Post variable is used to collect values from the form sent to the method post. Okay, information sent form from a form with the post method invisible to other, has no limits amount information sent. Okay, uh, mm, sorry. That's all about PHP, and I will show how to execute that PHP files. Okay, then you need to create here. as question mark PHP, then here like this. I mean, we already some examples, right? This, sorry, I mean it not closed here. You want echo something, echo happy. Okay, then we need to close it. Sorry, then save it as okay dot php. Okay, I'm justly show the example. It's not the exact format. I'm just to show that particular file as how to save it. Save, and then it that file will be. Uh, I mean that file will be copy and paste here where our ht docs will be present, right? So our ht docs will be present in the XAMPP file and ht docs. Okay, here and then paste here, and then you need to click on that particular local host. It will execute, right? So that's all about that php. If you have any doubt, ping me in comment section. Okay, thank you for your